Hello friends, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn about while activity. With help of while activity, we evaluate a condition and execute block or group of activities again and again until expression is evaluated as true. We can also use while activity to iterate elements of array or list. While activity mainly consists of two sections. First one is condition section. In condition section, we specify an expression which is always evaluated to return Boolean value, either true or false, and body section executes until expression is evaluated as true. Body section. It contains set or group of activities that are executed for each iteration. To demonstrate about control flow statements, I'll create a blank project. I'll name it as control flow demo. I'll add some description. To demonstrate about while activity, I'll create a workflow using sequence. I'll name it as while demo. I'll add some annotation. While activity to demonstrate how to write numbers 1 to 20 and their sum to a text file. I'll create two variables. Num, I'll change its data type as integer. Another variable sum with same data type, integer. Now I'll drag a while activity. As we can see, this while activity consists of two sections. First one is condition and second one is body. Body means we can understand it will contain a set or group of activities that will be executed for each iteration. Now I'll add a condition that execute this while loop body until value of num is less than 20. Now for each iteration I need to increase this value of num. For that I'll use an assign activity. Now I'll write this value of num to a text file. For that I'll use append line activity. Num.toString. Here we need to specify name of file, text file that will be created. I'll name it here numbers.txt. If I will execute this workflow now, it will create a notepad file and append number 1 to 20. But as we need to add sum of numbers also to this text file, for that I'll use one more assign activity. Here I will calculate sum. Now we will append value of this sum to text file. For that I'll use again append line activity. This time I'll use append line activity outside while loop because we need to execute this activity only once. I'll specify name of same text file. Now let me execute this workflow. Execution is complete. Let me check output. So here, as you can see, all these numbers 1 to 20 are added in this text file, and after 1 to 20 sum of all these numbers as 210 is added in this text file. This is how while activity works. With this I will wind up this session. Please like my video and subscribe my channel.